Hi everyone, my name is Kate and today I'm going to show you how to make your own Instagram filter. So the good news is that nowadays everyone can create his or her own Instagram filter, because now you don't need a developer account or something like that. Just your Instagram account and your Facebook account, and that's all. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also please subscribe to my Instagram account and try my own mask, which I have already done. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Instagram filter, but if you want to make something complicated, maybe with 3D objects or some kind of effects, go to playlist where I have all my videos about Instagram filters. Your first step to create your own Instagram filter is to download Spark AR program. The program is completely free. Just follow the link in the description. The program works with Windows and Mac and updates every 2 weeks. So just download it and we can start. So when you open the Spark AR, you will see this guy over here, but you can change his face. You see the camera sign. We have other people's here, like this girl, this guy. And you may tap on integrated webcam and voila, you have your own face, and you can try your filter on your own face, which is great. Okay, so what we are going to do is we do retouching, then add a frame and add the stars on our face. So first of all, I found these PNG files on the web. So first we need to prepare. I want stars on my cheek. So all I need to do is first download stars as PNG files from web and then open them in Photoshop. So in Photoshop, I open this face. You can download this one, and for man's face also you can download them. Just go to the description. You can find all the links there. So this is your face. Yes it is. And I just open my stars, which I found. Here it is. Stars. So this face helps us to understand where to place our stars. Let's make it like this. Smaller. Like this. Good. So you see that this is it's a 3D face. So if you put your stars here, you can see them. You should put all your objects in this area. Okay, now we hide our background and just save this file as a PNG. Okay, and now we can come back to our project. So we made a kind of preparation and now we can work only in the Spark AR. So first of all, let's do retouching. So for this, just click on add object and let's add a face tracker and add a face mesh. So face tracker tracks your face and face mesh, you see what it is. Okay. Also, you can see on the right part of the screen, you can make it visible or invisible, and also it can track mouth and eyes, or if you don't want it to track mouth and eyes, you can do like this and you see no eyes, no mouth. Not good for me. Okay, so you see materials over here. So click on plus and you see a material. All your materials and textures are assets, and you might see them here on assets. Double tap and you may rename it. Retouch. Okay. So to do retouching, we go to shader type and choose retouching. Hey, that's simple. And you see you have skin smoothing here, and you may either do 0 or 100%. 100% is too creepy. I think like 25 is okay. Yeah. My face is quite smooth now. Love it. Okay. Next, let's add stars. We should add a new face mesh. And this face mesh is not on my face anymore, but that's because you have a face tracker and a face mesh for this face tracker. So click on this, on our new face mesh, and put it on face tracker like this. Yeah, here we go. You can also rename it. Stars. Okay, and also we again create new material for this. We have our touching material, but we create new material. Okay, so here's a new material. We rename it to stars. Okay, good. So shader type is standard. Yes, that's okay. And now we need to go to texture over here and just click on new texture and upload our stars that we have done before in Photoshop. Hey, here we go. Here we go. I have stars on my face, and it's quite interesting, right? I don't know. And the good news is, if your PNG file has white colors, you can change the color of this. But my stars are not just purple and green. They are white plus purple and white plus green. That's why I can also change their color. But I love the way it was before. We did a retouching and we did stars. And now I want to add a frame. How to do it? Go to Add Object and add a Canva. Canva is just a flat object, and then add a rectangle. Okay, great. But you see the rectangle is very small, and you can see it because we need to lift the Canva up. That's good. Now I can see the rectangle. So click on rectangle and change its size. If you just put here, you can manually increase or decrease the numbers, but you may just click on it and choose where it was, full height, foot width, foot height. Very good. Let's add the new material again. Here is our material, and rename it to frame. Perfect. And let's make it flat. Perfect. Now texture. New texture and choose my frame. Yay! That's good. I don't like the size of the frame, so I need to change it. How can I do it? Let's go to rectangle again and change its size. Width, for example, 40. Yeah, that's okay. And height, like this. Okay, almost perfect. But you see that I think we need to change its position. We have the transformations over here, and we can change position like, see, to, you might not see this. It moves on the right or on the left if you put minus and like this. Yeah, so much. Yay! I love it. If you think that the frame is too much, you may change its opacity. Just go to Asset, Material, and change its opacity. For example, like this. Okay, good. And now I want to add a pink color because now I think that my face does not fit the frame. We go to the same Canva, but add a new object, new rectangle. Again, full size or full height, full width, and again, new material. Name it to color, and simply change its color here. For example, this one, and change its opacity. Okay, like this. So we're done, and now we just need to save our project and we can export it. If you have any questions about this simple filter, just leave them in the comments below. And I promise I will answer all of your questions. Subscribe, like, and see you guys.